Hello and welcome to the 2217 project. Today is Monday, the 26th, and it's pool day. We've got a 160-ton crane coming from Elliott Cranes today to take our Plungie Pool and put it in the hole back there. So we have moved the dumpster. It's now sitting out in the street. We have the property ready to go. I've got all the blocks moved, and now I'm just waiting on the crane to show up. Let's take a look at where we're at right now. All right, we're gonna walk towards the pool. As you can see, the dumpster's gone. It's no longer there. Fantastic. As we move a little bit closer, we're gonna step through the addition. We already walked through this center line. Everything's gonna go in. Pool's gonna drop right on all the black lines. Once we do that, it'll be nice and smooth. They're gonna fly it, so they're gonna pull the crane in right there in the driveway, set the outriggers, pick the pool up, fly it over the addition, and then go stick it in the hole. It's gonna be super cool. It's gonna be a great day today. Follow along with me at the 2217 project. So the downside to filming and doing all the work and managing the project is that I can't talk while I'm shooting this video at the same time, so I'm just gonna narrate along. This is a gigantic crane, 6 wheels. They backed it in the driveway. I couldn't believe how big it was, and when they extended the crane, I really thought it was gonna hit the power lines, but they just missed it by about 5 or 6 feet. It was pretty cool to watch them that close. They jacked that big boy off the ground. If you guys need to have something lifted, call Clark Crane. These guys are good at what they do. All right, they're backing in the first load of supplies. That's the wood that they jacked the crane up on, as well as the first counterweight. Counterweights are coming off the trailer. They load that on the train. There's equal amounts, so they have 26,000 pounds of counterweight to counter the 26,000 pound load. And here's our pool. That's the Plungie Max, getting ready to go in. 10 by 20, 26,000 pounds. Okay, now they're gonna hook the crane up to the pool and do the first lift. Here we go, they're getting ready to pull it up. In fact, the guy's gonna go around and look. You're gonna see him come around, the guy in the black shirt, and he's gonna hand signal right here. Go ahead and let's lift. And here we go, up and over the house. They're gonna spin the pool around, line it up with those black chalk lines that are on the concrete slab that we put in a couple of weeks ago, and set it in place. So now we're going to start looking from the ground view. This is right before they're starting to line everything up. And this is move slow and steady. So the guy in the black shirt is driving the guy in the crane to line it up and put it exactly where they want it. They're starting to get everything nice and even, and we'll see them start to lower it down into the pool. All right, this was the first set, and they're asking me questions like, where is it on the lines? And I'm like, you know what? We need to line it up with the exterior wall. And I'm looking around for my tape measure, and here we go. I'm gonna go find it, and we're gonna measure on the side, and we're gonna say we are 79 inches to the wall. One edge was at 78, so I'm like, hey, we just gotta move it a little bit. So lift the crane up, and we check the measurements one more time, and here we are, 79. I'm like, set it down, here we go. I love these guys. They were like, you like it? I'm like, I love it. And here we are, it in place. They're breaking down the crane. Amazing. Super easy. That whole process was only about 2 hours from the time that they showed up to the time that they rolled out. Everybody, thanks so much for taking the time to watch our video, and we can't wait to see you this summer and come swimming with us. Hit like and subscribe. See you later.